Hey, this is Ted with Schrader Tree Farm. Just want to talk a little bit about this case 300 from the 50s we have. Show you how to run it and operate your case if you end up finding one you pick up from like an auction or something like that. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to operate it. So this is a case 300. It's a 4-cylinder. It's got, this is an add-on feature that ran the hydraulics. I'm going to teach Tally, my sister, how to run this thing here so she can go brush hog all her fields. PTO comes out of the back, of course. This lever here activates the PTO. Pull that up, it activates down, it's disactivated. This right here, there's 2 hydraulic levers. This one lifts the arms on your attachment, and this actually runs the hydraulics. So this is what we run when we're running our splitter. Easiest way to start this thing is get the key out. Not really the way to go up here from the back. The key in, this is the choke, pull it out. You can kind of feel on the throttle where there's like a hard spot right here, about halfway down. So there's the throttle like that. Choke is out. Foot on the clutch. This side's clutch, this side's brake. This is a standard transmission, so you got your gears. This is actually in 3rd gear. Doesn't really matter what gear you're in. Turn the key.